It's compressed all your stuff to the end. I think my bag's even bigger. The bomb. Yes! Let's go! No, I'm good. Yes! Let's go. Yeah, get your foot through. Mate, that was sick. How sick that is,
Yeah, you slow down, no one knows you're up here.
Oh, bro, big respect. That is sick. Okay. Yeah, I'll keep it down. Wow. The twisting blast is crazy.
Yeah, it's awesome. I wish I had my hammer. Have you got a hammer?
Yeah.
Fuck! I wish I brought my hammer.
Always got the hammer.
You could hammer up in that room, bro.
Yeah.
It's fucking my good too. I have to find something.
Yeah, man.
No, I'm fucked. Can we hit the bong outside?
Yeah?
Could we hit it sitting on that?
Yeah.
Can we?
Of course.
I'm gonna get a video of
Yeah,
us hitting the bong with Canary, bro.
Oh, yeah. That's it. You can stop lighting it now. It's lit. That's it, nice. Pull. Perfect. Yeah, it would be sick, wouldn't it?
That's so strong. I'm so blessed.
Are you okay?
I'm so blessed. That's a beast.
It is. That's not even fully zoomed in, you know.
How far? How much further? No. Oh my god! That's unreal. It's fucked.
It's so good, man. It's so good for these missions. Like, people underrate these things.
Telephoto, bro. That's such a good compression. Fuck.
The city's only got one eye.
You have to have my phone now.
Yeah. It is a bit whack. Get a close up on that error.
Oh, that's a beast. Imagine if shot someone from here.
Yeah, with their legs dangling down on the orange bit. This lens is sick, man.
Let's get one.
Oh, look at that tower bridge. I can get.
Get it. Oh, that's unreal.
I can frame it real nice.
That's what spies would use to fucking take photos of someone's apartment, bro. That's fucked.
It's got that steady shot in it, which means that like it's really easy to get steady, especially something that's bright as the moon. You don't need a tripod at all, like literally. You don't.
Fuck.
Do you want to try? Do you want to try taking photos of the moon?
Yes. We're doing some fucking astrophotography right
Yeah,
now.
man. These red lights aren't great.
Yeah,
We should probably go in front of it. See how it's all shaking?
Yeah.
And then I hold down the button halfway and it just stops shaking.
Yeah.
That's the steady shot.
Ah, nice.
See, that's why you don't need a tripod.
Yeah, sick. What?
It's not bad, it's not bad. I could probably mess with the settings and get it look a bit better, but yeah, that's good enough in it to like see it's the moon.
Yeah, sick.
There we go, bro.
What, it's like some nature photography.
That's what I want to do, I want to take pictures of birds and shit. Nice.
Fucked. What the fuck, that's sick.
That's so cool, isn't it? That you can just do that freehand, like bash. Bro, you can see the reflection of On Canada Square.
I know, I was about to say, get
Oh
your
my god, what the hell? That's crazy. The reflection is
you got it, you got it. sunrise this.
We could do.
We could have a couple.
Yeah, I feel so tight though, because you're just on the floor.
I'm chilling.
Really?
I'm really chilling. I'm so chilling.
On this dusty floor. It's a perfect sleep spot.
Come on, bro, catch it a bit.
Oh. Wow. Mate, the colour's already gone. I was only out here for a second and the colour's already gone.
So fucked, I'm so tired. I bet. Oh my god, I was dead. Oh my god. I was so fucked. Actually, I'm still in shock for what just happened. Let's just go past Quincy.